Hi, this is Sri Mahal Education, Sri Lanka. Today we are going to discuss about quadratic equations, solutions by factors, these two topics under algebra chapter. So let's start now. Quadratic equations are equations of the form ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is not equal to 0. Quadratic equations can be solved in a number of ways, but at this level they are usually solved by graphical. See algebra card 7 or graphical methods. I'll show you those later. So there are three methods of solving quadratic equations, very popular methods. First one is solutions by factors, or well known as factorizing method. Second one, completing square method. Third one, using the quadratic formula. So it depends, and some according to the question, sometimes it's really simple doing by factors, some are really simple doing by completing square method, some are really simple doing by formula method. Okay, but here I'm going to explain to you how to complete, like finding values for x, okay, which means solving quadratic equations by solution by factors, like using factorizing method. So I'm going to start now. If the product of two numbers is 0, then one or both numbers must be 0. Okay, if ab equals 0, then either a equals 0 or b equals 0, or it could be both could be equal to 0 also. 0 times 0 also 0, no? So 0 times any number is 0. Okay, any number times 0 also 0. Two zeros when you multiply also you get 0. Solve the quadratic equation x minus 5 times x plus 3 equals 0. So what should you do is use the fact that since the product of the two brackets is 0, then the expression inside one or both them must be 0. Okay, either x minus 5 equals 0, which implies that x equals 5, or x plus 3 equals 0, which implies that x equals minus 3. So that solution of the equation are, now think x minus 5 times x plus 3 equals 0, are x minus 5, x equals 5 and x equals minus 3. Solve the quadratic equation. Now this is in the bracket form, now this is in the quadratic form. So we need to reapply brackets. Okay, sometimes they give you in this format. Solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. To solve the equation, factorize the left hand side of the equation and then solve as above. Okay, factorizing the second hand of the equation, x squared minus 6x minus 27, here within brackets x and here within brackets x. Now search for two group numbers which is multiplied together give you minus 27, and after you added those two numbers it give you minus 6. Okay, now think something like this: x minus 9 and x plus 3. Think minus 9 times plus 3 give you minus 27. Minus 9 and plus 3 together give you minus 6. I believe my values are accurate. Okay, now you can see plus 1 times minus 27 gives you minus 27. Okay, minus 1 times plus 27 give you minus 27. Plus 9 times minus 3 give you minus 27. Minus times minus plus 3 give you minus 27. But the thing is, when you add these two numbers also, it makes the middle one. That's the catching method. Now think, if you add plus 9 and minus 3, okay, it comes 6x plus 6x. Minus 1 and plus 27, it gives you plus 26. Plus 1 and minus 27 gives you minus 26. But minus 9 and plus 3 give you minus 6. So here all these minus 27s are forming, but only the last one is accurate. The quadratic equation can be written x minus 9 times x plus 3 equals 0, and since the product of the two brackets is 0, then the expression inside one or both of them must be 0. Either x minus 9 equals 0, which implies that x equals 9, x plus 3 equals 0, which implies that x equals minus 3. So the solutions of the equations x to the power 2 minus 6x minus 27 equals 0 are x equals 9 and x equals minus 3. always check your answers by substituting them into the original equation. Now I believe you can try so many questions and try and see whether my system is working. Always make sure this middle number is the addition of two factors. The last number is the product of two factors. Okay, so minus 9 times plus 3 is minus 27. Okay, then minus 9 and plus 3, when you add together you get minus 6. Okay, I believe my explanation is really okay with you. If you really like my video, please kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, share, like and comment under it. Okay, just follow me on all the social media: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp and Viber. I'm Srimal Pereira. Have a good day.